It's done. Go home, everybody.
Your primary assignment is to scout out an area known as Infinity. In the mid-1980s, 3 of our top agents were partying so hard they created a singularity and were sucked into Infinity. Crazy Dave believes he has constructed a vehicle which will allow you to enter this mysterious space. But be forewarned, no one who has traveled to Infinity has ever come back. Look dramatic. Good luck. It's Infinity time. Let's find out what...
No.